Are you tired of being a landlord? Are you ready to get the peace of mind you deserve? Hi, I'm Brad Chandler with Express Homebuyers. Let's face it, being a landlord isn't for everyone. Managing tenants, repairs, and vacancies can be tedious and costly. Maybe you're just considering selling a rental property to take full advantage of record high appreciation. Either way, we have several options for you to put significantly more money back in your pocket and on your timeline. We buy houses every day, fast as is and for cash. Maybe you're just tired of dealing with repairs or overly zealous tenants that like to call you at all hours of the day, or maybe you just like the idea of cashing out. So if you're ready to sell, give us a call. We'll buy your property as is, so there's no need to worry about any difficult tenants, vacancies, or repairs, and we'll pay all commissions and fees. Let's talk about your options to make your life easier so you're less stressed and more inspired.
Express Homebuyers.